Lenovo's next-generation ThinkPad X1 laptops may be getting one of their biggest internal updates in years. According to a new report published by Windows Latest, Lenovo has quietly redesigned the internals of the upcoming ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 14 Aura Edition and ThinkPad X1 2in1 Gen 11 Aura Edition, with a focus on repairability, thermals, and sustainability. The two laptops are among the many products Lenovo will unveil at CES 2026. The biggest change, reportedly, is dual-sided motherboard layout, meaning components are now placed on both sides of the board instead of one. This redesign saves internal space and allows Lenovo to improve heat dissipation, maintain performance for longer periods, and even make room for a larger touchpad. More importantly, the report claims that the new internal design scored an impressive 9 out of 10 in iFixit's repairability assessment. As for the performance, both ThinkPad models are expected to ship with Intel Core Ultra X7 Series 3 processors, paired with Intel Arc graphics offering up to 12 Z-cores. Lenovo is also leaning heavily into AI, with an integrated NPU capable of delivering up to 50 TOPS. The company is said to be advertising a 20% improvement in thermal performance, with sustained power draw reaching 30 W. On the outside, the laptops feature a new 10-megapixel webcam with a wide 110-degree field of view and distortion correction. The ThinkPad X1 2in1 Gen 11 also adds a new magnetic stylus that can be stored and charged directly on the device. The display options are extensive, too. You can choose from a WUXGA IPS panel rated at 500 nits to a 2.8K OLED configuration with VRR, Eye Safe certification, and wide color gamuts.